Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the cheapest or mostly free domain from Namecheap.com. Namecheap has recently a good promotion, and if you follow this video you can find that how we can do this thing. So this is the Namecheap.com website. From here you can buy the cheapest domain very easily. So before doing this thing you must have to log in your account. If you don't log in, then you cannot find that. Here I already logged in on my account. Here you are seeing. Now this is my logged in panel. Now I'm going to register on domain and I'm going to show you whether it is really free or not. Here you are seeing that this is the Namecheap website, and here I see everything is free. Not everything. These three domains are currently free. Like online, this domain is free. This domain extension, and also the .site or .store. So let's see how we can do this thing. You just need to access on URL or address, which I will give you inside the video description below. You just need to go to the Telegram channel, and over there you can find the link and coupon also. So once you are there, just copy the URL and open any browser, and then you will be in this page. But again, I'm telling you, you must need to log in your account. I am going to register on .online extension domain in this video. So I'm going to click here, claim domain. Once I click over there, it will open a new tab, and from there we can search the domain name. Suppose I'm going to search the domain name FewSteps, and here I see FewSteps.online is there. Now I'm going to click over here the shopping cart icon, and very shortly it will be showing like this. Now here initially you will see like this is the domain 2 years, and this much price for 2 years. So what I'm going to choose? I'm going to choose 1 year, and then here is still I'm going to see the same price. Same means like some dollar. Now let's apply some coupon. The coupon I will give you on the video description below. That means you just need to go to Telegram channel, and over there you will find the coupon. And there is nothing here. You just need to apply the coupon over here. Just copy the coupon from the Telegram channel and then put it inside this promo code, and then you have to press the apply button. Once you put the code and apply button, you will see that your domain price it becomes 0. Only there is 20 cents, which is the different fee, not the domain fee. And then we can confirm the order. I'm going to press the confirm order button, and very shortly we'll be in this page. And here we see only 20 cents is there, and then there is pay now button. So now I'm going to pay for this domain, which is only 20 cents, and here there are a couple of details are there. I'm just going to click the pay now button, and once I click over there I see this type of page is there. That means we have to pay right now. We just need to put all my credit card information and my address, everything over there, and after that we can press the continue button to buy the cheapest domain, which is almost free. $0 domain name, and 20 cents is for ICCNA fee, something like that. Now I'm going to put all my credit card information this side, and then I'm going to press the continue button to purchase this domain. And here is the confirmation message. Probably no, we have to press this on pay now button. So here we see every details are there, and then I'm going to press the pay now button, and very shortly we'll get the confirmation message that we purchased this domain with the order confirmation number. And still it is processing. We have to wait few more seconds. I think it's like 10 to 20 seconds. Within this few seconds we'll be get the order confirmation message, and here it is. We are seeing that domain is purchased, and that's it. In this way we can get the cheapest domain from Namecheap, and it's really almost free, like 20 cents first year. Again, I am telling you, if you need this type of like coupon link or coupon code, you can check the Telegram channel. Over there I will send you the details. Thank you guys for watching the video.